G'day, I've arrived here at the Solia. Oh, here we are. This is the room, let's check it out. This is a premier room. Now, if you're wondering what the difference is between premier and deluxe, there's no difference except you get this little area out here. You know you're in a modern hotel room where there are lots of PowerPoints. Alrighty, that's a local one. Over in this corner we've got international. Over here we've got both local and international. I'm using a British plug there. It's local. And the bathroom. That's a local one too. No USB-A, but I mean, with this number of PowerPoints, who cares? Something else that's annoying me about this room, the television. What they've done is they've programmed it so you only get a selection of 11 channels. Well, I guess they're trying to make it easier for you to get to the channel that you might want, but there's a workaround. There's always a workaround anyway. I'm reprogramming it, and I know I'm going to be inundated with a whole ton of channels, and I think that's what they're trying to avoid. But yeah. Oh, by the way, this isn't Transvision. They don't have a Transvision subscription here. This one, I can see CNN's going through, Nickelodeon's going through. There's a lot more sports channels coming up, that's for sure. And yeah, there's just a whole ton more of channels, but no HBO. I think I'll be okay here for the next few nights, eh?